What's up, guys? Welcome to the first mission. All right, you are taking the trip. You are about to be on your way to having super success. Okay, but the first thing we need to do is we need to lay down the foundation for our house, for our baby, for our money maker. We need to have a solid foundation. We need to lay down the slab of concrete, and we need to start building upwards. But the only way we can do that is by doing some type of trivial knowledge. And this may seem a little bit of I already know this stuff, Jelani, why are you teaching me this? But we need for you guys to understand this. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go over a few things in regards to our sales funnel, and I created a type of I guess synonym to what I would call a subway, and I call it the subway model. And it goes from step 1 or stop 1 to stop 2 to stop 3, and we go on and we go to our final destination, which is the purchase. We want our customers to purchase. That is the end game, right? So we have to have a plan, because if you don't have a plan, you will not hit your goals, right? A goal without a plan is just a wish. So we have to plan from every single point, from the beginning to the end. We have to have our story be consistent from the beginning to the end. And that is what the subway model is about. It literally explaining that. And, we have to be the conductor of our train. We have to guide our customers to the end point. We, as marketers, we have to be the greatest conductor the world has ever seen, right? In order to be successful, right? So if you think about it that way, and you think about a train, you want to get those customers, you want to get the passengers to the end point. We have to understand how we do that, right? So go on to the next video. This is just a brief introduction about what I'm going to be teaching you. And like I said, we just got to lay down the foundation first before we really begin to start building a brand and start building logos and doing all that fun stuff, guys. But we have to understand some things about what we're using, why we're using it, and how we're going to use it. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Tomorrow there'll be a new video, so if you haven't subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that alert button so you know when that video drops. I know you probably want more information, but I want to take it really step by step and slow so you guys understand what I'm talking about. So if you want to see that video, subscribe, hit the alert button. I can't wait to see you there.